Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure leasing workflows with Doorstead. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure leasing workflows with Doorstead, start by logging into your Doorstead account. Once you are in your dashboard, navigate to the Leasing tab located in the main menu. Click on Workflows from the options available under the Leasing tab. You will see a list of existing workflows. To create a new workflow, click the Create New Workflow button. A pop-up will appear prompting you to name your workflow. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the purpose of the workflow. Next, select the type of workflow you want to configure. You can choose from options such as tenant screening, lease signing, and move-in processes. Once you've selected a type, click Next to proceed. Now, you'll set the stages of the workflow. Click on the Add Stage button to include different steps in your workflow. For each stage, provide a title and description to clarify its purpose. You can also set responsibilities by assigning team members to each stage. Continue adding stages until your workflow is comprehensive. After adding all stages, review the workflow for any adjustments needed. Once satisfied, click Save Workflow to finalize your changes. You can now activate your workflow by toggling the status to active. Test the workflow by initiating a leasing process to verify each stage functions correctly. Monitor the progress through the Workflow Analytics section for insights and adjustments. Finally, adjust your workflow based on feedback to streamline future leasing processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.